Now we're into part 3 of equation editor software, jumping into MathCast as I've titled it. So past that first screen, let's have a look at the drop down boxes. So we have these mainly 4 drop down boxes. The math one is not highlighted on bold because I can't use it right now, and the reason will be obvious as we go through. So the standard kind of options are new, open, download, save, save as, insert file, append file, browser, etc., exit. That's from the file one. And then the edit one, again, most of these options are not in bold because I can't do it right now. And there's a paste option, unselect settings, etc. And then we have equation, we can add equation, insert equation, etc. Move up and down, change color. And then the help one is help, again another option to go about MathCast. So these ones on the left, insert equation, are really helpful, plus or minus, that one, put them in there, they're very helpful indeed. And then when you've done that, when you clicked on that, then you end up with a command line. You'll see that command line highlighted up at the top of the screen is a slightly grey long box, and it's got the number 0 on the right hand side. So that's the first command line. And at the bottom we've got insert line at the bottom as well. Name, you've got where you can type into there. You type into that command line at the bottom, and you've got all these characters now that have suddenly appeared underneath that command line name. You've got these different characters, and there'll be more about that in a minute. So these are the quick ways of typing in equations. Very helpful across the bottom of the screen. So now we've got an equation command line set up. Now these options are pretty much available. So you've got new, open, download, save, etc. And then we've got edit, again the same. And then we've got the math options here. So the math option now are, you've got the arithmetics, equal signs, greater, less than, powers and roots, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, linear algebra, complex numbers, calculus, operators, basic symbols, stretch operators, overhead operators, arrows, sets and logical operators, double struck letters, special letters, small Greek letters, large Greek letters, markup, that's very helpful, and parenthesis, block, matrix, vector. That's really helpful indeed to do matrices. And then finish off with the help one as well. So we're getting into the next one. We'll be talking at actually what these different versions are, what these letters are, the most important ones. So this is number 3 in the series. Thank you for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.